Lexus LC500 stands apart from the go-fast sport luxury crowd. For its concept car looks, derived almost verbatim from the 2012 LFLC concept. And for the charming V8, which growls and burbles appropriately but doesn't subscribe to the faux backfire trend. Our editor-in-chief, Greg Migliore, perfectly summarized the LC500's appeal when he drove it recently. Evening walkers cast curious glances. A guy in an old pickup almost sideswiped me as he gawked while taking the corner fast. It's a celebrity car. It also sounds good. The 5.0-liter V8 growls and rumbles. Style and muscle. An excellent execution. Stopwatch more favors than the driver.